Alright, what's up everyone? I had a comment on one of my videos asking how to do custom color setup. So this is basically what you do. It's pretty simple. So in your GK61 box, there will be like a little pamphlet thing, and it'll tell you where you can download the software. You can just Google it, GK61 software. I'm sure it's probably all you have to search up. And basically, this is what it looks like when you open it up. I do believe I downloaded the Japanese or Chinese version on accident. Even though I have it set to English, the files are saved in whatever that is. And so yeah, so this is what I had to do. I kind of learned just by messing around with it. So real simple way of setting your colors up is just here in the main screen. So say you want yellow, you can choose some of the preset colors. Now they don't exactly match what it looks like, so this here may be like more blue even though it looks like it's purple. So you choose the color you want. I'll just go with orange. You drag it across, it makes it all that, and say you also wanted to throw in some, what goes good with orange? Yellow, I guess. Say you wanted half of it yellow, and then you wanted red, and do half over here. I guess we're going freaking Germany colors or something. And then you click use and apply, and that did not turn out good, but that's it. It changes it there. You see, it's very awful lighting. I wish I could have like a screen. I have a window right there. So um, let's see if maybe I can do this. It's a little bit better lighting as you see here. There we go. So do that there. Now to do like more custom colors, like I had on my keyboard. Which one was it? It was this one right here. It's where it's purple in the middle, and then it's like a almost red, but like really dark pink on the outside that slowly fades in and out. That you have to go, so on top of your screen here, this is where like your main pages or whatever, just where you do like your basic colors or whatever. Choose other presets in here. And if you want to use any of these presets, if you like these, you just go and find the one you like and click use and apply, and it puts it on your keyboard. Now if you want to do something custom where you like kind of control what's moving where, just choose one of these files in here. You really don't care if it gets messed up with something boring, just like a plain color like this one. It's just blue. That's all it is. So you're gonna go here down to this little pencil icon, and so if you don't want, so monochrome is just one color. So if you don't want something like that, you just go down here and click delete. Oh, whoops, you gotta have at least one. Okay, so never mind. So let's start off with, so the breathing effect is what I like. It slowly, everything fades in and out. So we'll do that, and then we'll get rid of this one. So with this here, we'll just select the whole keyboard, and we'll make it breathe in and out a light blue. Now your parameter here, I don't exactly understand how this works. I think it's like your ratio of how fast it moves. Normally I think like a 1 to 35. I'll test that out real quick and see how fast that is. And so basically once you have that set, you'll go over here and you'll find it somewhere. It's this one right here. So you'll find it here, and you'll see, crap, let me just get this for y'all. And you'll see it's slowly fading in and out. Now it may be a little too slow, so if you want to go faster, you would lower your numbers down to maybe like a 15. So let's do that real quick just so I can show y'all. So you go back to your LE files, you find whichever one it is. It's this one right here. Click the little icon here, the little pencil, go into here and edit your parameter. We'll say do 1 to 15. It's probably gonna be pretty fast. And when you're ready, hit save. Save was a success. Go back here and reselect it. Click on it, use, apply. Then you see it's a little faster. Oops. So it's just a tiny bit faster. Now say, well, you like RGB too? Okay, no problem with that. We're gonna throw some of that in. So you go and find your file, the pencil, and then you hit add, and you want the RGB. Now, If you really want to get into some crazy effects, I'll go over that into the end. Something cool you can kind of do, like a wave almost with the RGB. But here, so say you got that on top. So you don't want you don't want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't want any of these 1 through the equal sign. You don't want any of those to be blue. Just slowly lighten up. You want those to be RGB. So you go down to here on this one, unselect them from up top, and go down here and choose them 1, 2, 3, blah 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 to the equal sign. And we'll set that at 15. That's what this is, speed. Hit save. Go here and find the one you want to use. Hit use and apply. And this is what you got. So you have the RGB up top, and then you have your breathing effect. So that's something a little more custom. That may be a little too crazy for someone. You can tone it down a little bit by adjusting the speeds of everything. Now, if you're looking for something more like a wave effect kind of thing, so let's see. Let's go back to this one, apply, and let's get rid of this one. So now you got your RGB effect here, okay? So just unselect everything. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to do like let's do like a spiral effect. I know there's already one preset in there, but this is just kind of like an example of what to do. So just kind of choose that section of that, add another RGB section, go here to your color, and you're going to want to make it just slightly different, maybe like one color away. Okay, and then you're going to go here, and so whatever is selected up there, you want to do the opposite of here. So we're going to choose those, and those. And do that, and then do that. So you see, we have red RGB up here. We have the pink to the right of that, and then we have purple on the bottom right, and then blue on the left. Now hit save on that, and this is what that will look like. So go here and select it, and crap, I don't think, whoopsies, hold up, go back. I forgot to set all the parameters the same. You want them all the same because it's going to be a smooth circle. Like if you have one faster than the other, like one section is going to be just out of whack, and it's not going to look right. So get all your parameters about the same. It's going to be pretty fast, but you can adjust it with your color speed setting, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So once you hit save, go back to configurations and choose the one you want, the one you just did, apply, and this is what that effect looks like. So you see it kind of just circles around. So that's how you do that. Now if you want to adjust the speed, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I know, I'm sorry if you're getting sick, I'll just cut it out. I don't know what I'll do. I'll make it so you don't get sick. Okay, so to speed it up, it's going to be FN. Oh wait, I forgot the camera's flipped. Okay, well, look at this in a mirror, I guess. But it's going to be your colon and semicolon here is to speed it down, and when it's maxed out, it'll flash like that. And then whenever you need to max it out, you hit the one right next to it, your comma or quotation marks, and you tap that out till it flashes, and then you're left with freaking Rave City. So if you're into that, props to you. I'd get a headache in 5 minutes. But yeah, that is how you customize your keyboard. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Just if you can, I'm pretty sure there's an English version, so it'd probably be easier to understand. This was a little difficult for me to figure out at first, because like I said, it's like Japanese or something. But yeah, if y'all have any more questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please consider doing so. You can always unsubscribe later if you don't enjoy what I post, but if you do, I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, if you have any more questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. So far, I think there's like my third or fourth video on the GK61 because you are eating it up, and you know, I'd love to help y'all out wherever that may be. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will be seeing y'all next time. Peace. Peace. Alright, time to freaking game!